Ethereum might experience a 1.1% dip by May 6, according to Gov Capital Collector. But first, let's start with the current situation on the market. As of this update, Ethereum has gone down 0.4% over the past 24 hours and is now near $2,379.54. Now for today's analyst breakdown. Crypto Predictions expects a move toward $2,397.96 by May 6, which marks a gain of about 0.7%. CoinDataFlow expects Ethereum to reach $2,391.20, a projected increase of about 0.4%. 30 Rates notes it may head downward toward $2,372, around 0.4% lower. A different outlook from Gov Capital Collector expects Ethereum could sink to $2,356.16, a decrease estimated near 1.1%. And to wrap up, Digital Coin Price highlights a drop to $2,325.32 by tomorrow, 2.4% below the current level. This is the most profitable opportunity we've covered. That sums up 5 expert insights. Let's go to the next. Now that we've seen the forecasts, here's the breakdown. The data from all analysts combined indicates the price could move within the range between a drop of 2.4% and a gain of 0.7%, depending on the analyst. That makes Digital Coin Price the leader with the highest projected return, with 2.4% gain in value by tomorrow. From this, you could see returns of between $4 and $24 for every $1,000 you invest. Looking at the odds, CoinDataFlow is number 1 with a 82.4% chance of success. Looking across today's forecasts, I've summarized them into a consensus outlook. Consensus figures indicate Ethereum showing almost no change, hovering near $2,368.53. Here's how it looks in detail. The consensus trend signals a 0.5% decline by tomorrow. This path implies your capital might also go up by around 0.5%. If you used 1,000 here, the move might show a potential profit of around $5. The likelihood of the consensus projection materializing stands close to 81.6%. Now then, let's take a closer look at how analysts envision the 3-day scenario. Crypto Predictions sees the price heading upward in the days ahead. CoinDataFlow believes the next 3 days will show Ethereum holding around the same levels without a clear push in either direction. 30 Rates expects an upward trajectory in the short term. Upside potential is likewise noted by Gov Capital Collector, who stays optimistic. According to Digital Coin Price, the market is likely to trend downward. Collectively, the forecasts point to Ethereum remaining calm, with the consensus indicating minimal movement in the short term. In conclusion, the majority of forecasts support a rising scenario, pointing toward Ethereum advancing further. 5 sites posted forecasts 2 days ago. Now we'll check them against yesterday's numbers. In the end, the closing candle marked $2,347.24. The outcome showed that the majority of forecasts were correct about the direction. When it comes to precision, CoinCodex delivered the closest forecast. Let's clear it up step by step. A total of 2 predictions ended up inside the daily range. Speaking of ROI, some predictions turned profitable, but CoinCodex topped the list. Now showing the performance check, how each analyst's forecast matched reality. From the table, 30 Rates reached 1.5% ROI and accuracy. Look through the table and notice which forecasts turned out most accurate. Let's see how tomorrow's predicted profitability looks when compared with a few other assets. Forecast comparison places Ethereum third, as PEEP stays at the top with 1.7%. This section includes Ethereum and 4 random cryptocurrencies, while a far broader selection is already accessible on my website. If today's analysis was helpful, tap like and subscribe. New forecasts come every day. Have a good one.